Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change the location of your shop in Shopify. First things first, we have to log in as an admin in our Shopify account. And once we are in here, we want to focus on bottom left part of our screen where are the settings. We click on the settings and as you can see, plus minus in the middle is an option of locations. Right now we want to add a location, and we can either fulfill orders from this location or not. So location name, let's go with like Ružomberok, which is my hometown, for example, Slovakia, like this. Apartment suite, postal code, and just like that. And also you can go with phone and save it. And that's how easily you can change the location. Obviously I haven't got you the right address, so don't send me packages. Thank you guys a lot for watching this one, and see you in the next one. Have a great one and see you soon.